Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video. I'm in a parking lot of Walmart with a quick message. My last video I talked about my YouTube earnings. I made $25.38 since I've been a partner this month, and I've been a partner for only maybe 2 weeks now. 2 weeks now, and $25 from YouTube AdSense is not a lot of money. It's not. I can't pay no bills in my home, but it gives me that security, like I have another way of making money besides my job. See, most people will just have a job, and they lose their job or they get fired or get laid off. They're in panic mode. They're trying to find another job. They're panicking about the bills or who's going to do what and what I'm going to do, where I'm going to go. Me, I wouldn't be panicking. I'll be just fine because I used to do Uber a little bit last year. So I like Uber. Uber is a good way to make some money. Uber is that quick money. You get paid, I think you pay now, or you pay the same day you work or in the week. You can pay weekly. And it's a good, easy job. You just pick somebody up and drop them off. Easy job. And another benefit of Uber is your gas, tires, oil changes, anything, mechanically wrong with the car you get fixed, is all tax deductible. So that's another thing about an Uber gig is, better than a regular job. So I used to do Uber back in the day. I could always get back into Uber if I lose my job. If I got fired today, I would sign back up with Uber. My YouTube channel, I'm already a YouTube partner. That's the hard part. The hard part was to get to the YouTube partner. For me, it was a hard part. For some people, it's easier. For me, that was hard to make that 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 hours watched. It was hard for me to get to that point. It took me a long time to get it. But now I finally got it. I can just make more content. So I could just make more content in the blogging seriously. It's going my 4th month. So my content that I've written 4 months ago, 5 months ago, are starting to get a little rank, starting to get a little traffic. So everything's going good. So what I would do is sign back with Uber. Uber is that fast money. Uber is that money I could do right now and make some money and get paid Friday to replace some of my money that I'll get from my job. I like that better because now I'm on my schedule versus someone else's schedule. I make my own schedule. And number 2, I'll crank out 5 to 6 videos per day. I crank out 5 to 6 videos per day on my YouTube channel, and I'll try to write 2 blog posts per day. That's what I would do, and that's how I would do it. Start your channel, start your blog now. Have another stream of income coming in. Have something else that can make the money for you versus a job, because you just feel better knowing that I'll be okay. If I lose my job today, I'll be fine. I got these things going in the background. I can always join Uber, make a little extra money on the side. I'll be great. I'll be great. Now, just imagine, keep this in your mind. I made $25 so far on YouTube, doing it part-time. Imagine if I could do it full-time. How much money I can make? $100, $150, $200, who knows? That's it for the video. The message of the video is start your another side income so you can feel better about working a job you don't like. You don't like this job, so what? Start another side income. Start something you start building on. Hell, it doesn't matter if it's get on Uber. Get on Uber for, just to start driving on weekends. Start another stream of income because you feel better about your full-time or part-time. If I lose this today, I'll be fine. I'll be great. I could do this. I could do that. I got other options. I believe losing your job is a good thing because you have all this free time to do something that you always wanted to do. So if I want to build an online business, I have 40 plus hours to do it. I have plenty of time to do it. And that's what I plan on doing 5 to 6 videos per day of good content to help people out. So it just feels good knowing that I got money somewhere else coming in, and I can make more money by doing this every day. And that's why I shoot video in my car on my lunch break at work, so I can, that's the way I do it. I make videos at home. I make videos in my car while I'm at work. That's the way I do it. I deliver good content to people who wants to get out of their job, who wants to start a second thing, another stream of income, get on YouTube and start creating videos, start pushing them out to social media, and become a YouTube partner. And $25 is not a lot of money, but it's a lot more money than other people are trying to do. Because some people been trying to make money for years and make 1 cent. So I'm above the fray. I'm not above people, but I'm just kind of like a mutant. Like, I see things that no one else sees. You know, I don't know. It's crazy. TyForThat'sKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. I'm not saying I'm better than anybody else, but you just stand out from other people, because other people panic and they lose their job, or they're so dependent on their job, they love their job, and when they hate it, they give them crap about their job. The job gives them work they don't want to do, but they cool because it pays the bills. But if you have another thing make you money, you be more like, I don't really need to deal with this. I have this going on, have that going on. I could do this right now and make easier money in less time. It makes you like, nah, I could go ahead and leave. TyForThat'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.